So this is what Mondays usually look like here in my house. Pile of packages. Oh, and some lunch. Hey guys, so welcome back to another weekly vlog. Here we are. So it's Monday today. It's actually pretty much Monday evening now. Monday's nearly over, but I am sitting here with a pile of packages. Today is PO Box opening day. I try and get this done on a Monday usually. And yeah, I haven't really done like a PO Box unboxing on here for a while. Not sure if you guys are really that interested in them, but I thought I would just pop you down here and chat to you while I'm opening some of these up and see what's inside. Kind of feels a little bit like Christmas. I feel like I've gotten to that point in the day where I've sat down now and that may be it. I may not be getting up again. Although I do have plans later tonight, so gonna have to find that second wind to get re-energized for this evening. Mango is good. Ooh, tote bag. Sandwich night, tote bag there. Love it when packages come with a tote bag. Can never have too many tote bags. So I actually have two of these already, but this is the Sam McKnight hair range, and I've really wanted to try the two that I don't have. Also running really low on these, so this is super handy. So these are the dry shampoo and texturizing sprays. They are incredible. The dry shampoo is by far the best one I've ever used. And then the two new ones are the modern hairspray and the easy updo texture spray. I'm gonna get these out of the boxes. I just think the packaging of this range is so cool. So I'm super excited to try these two new ones and have some more of my fave things. Thank you to the guys at Sam McKnight for that. The Roche-Posay, one of my favorite skincare brands. No way, look at this. Tiny little Tic Tacs. That is beyond adorable. Look at these Tic Tacs. They're so small. They're in a tiny box. I'm clearly way more excited about that than the product. No, this is actually really cool. This is the Athelios 50 plus SPF, which is my go-to SPF. I use it every day. I have it on my face right now. But they've done a pocket size. How small and cute is that? That's amazing. So handy for travel. How does it open? Oh, it just pops open at the top like that. I always encourage you to have SPF with you wherever you are, wherever you're going. SPF is my biggest must-use skincare product, so that is super cute that they do a little mini size. Thank you for that one, the Roche-Posay. What is in here? Don't actually have any scissors or anything to open these boxes with, which would probably have made things easier. Oh, this is from a brand called CeraVe. I've heard so much about this brand, but I'm not entirely sure what it does. It's one of those very kind of like medicinal, pharmaceutical looking brands, a little bit like Cetaphil, that's what it makes me think of. But they're supposed to be amazing. So I've got the moisture lotion here, the foaming cleanser, and then also the facial moisturizing lotion with SPF 25. And you couldn't get them in the UK, but you can now. That's always a good thing. This is from L'Occitane. It's the almond body butter. I've never used the body butter. I love the shower oil that they do. It's so gorgeous. Oh my god, the smell of that is insane. It's so rich and creamy. Look at that on the top there. Amazing. I'm actually gonna put some on now because my hands are really dry. That smells incredible. I've not seen this in a tin before, so maybe this is new, but how gorgeous is that? Love that. Thank you, L'Occitane. One day I will learn how to pronounce your brand name correctly. Oh, good things come in packages from Kiehl's, that's for sure. This is obviously brand new. This is the Glow Formula Skin Hydrator with pomegranate extract. What does this do? I mean, I see the word glow and I'm there. I'm instantly there. Okay, 3 reasons you need to try our new Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. Instantly illuminates, can be used as highlighter and primer. Naturally derived ingredients containing antioxidants. And who doesn't want naturally dewy highlighted skin? Okay, so I feel like this might actually be some kind of more of a makeup product. Oh, look at that. It's kind of like skin toned. This is really interesting. I definitely want to give this a go. But it kind of looks like it's got a slight tint to it. And my hand does look a bit more glowy, a bit more healthy. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh, it smells like cake. but also fruit. Thank you, Kiehl's. I'm really excited to give that one a go. This is so very obviously from the brand Way. There's a whole lot going on here. BTF Dry Texture Foam. Oh wow. How does this work? Like a pomade without weight, invisible texturizing foam, adds all over hold, thickness and grit. That sounds so cool. So they do a foaming dry shampoo, which is super different and interesting, but this looks like texturizing spray in foam form. That could be cool. There's also an incredibly smelling candle in here, which kind of smells like the Way products. It'd be so good if they actually brought these out. That would be an amazing candle to have. Love that there is an eye mask in here. I actually sleep with one of these every single night, so that is going to be super useful. And there's also this little, in case of emergency, hair ties. Right, I'm going to leave someone else to tidy all this up. That's what having an assistant is for. Sorry, Sam. And yeah, just walk away. Walk away. Are you serious? Are you serious? This pig, actually it's an elephant. Moon has had this for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. You're just gonna end up with no toys. You're gonna have no friends to play with because you have to murder them all. Good morning. Hey there, cutie. So today I'm wearing pretty much my standard outfit at the moment. This is literally my go-to kind of uniform almost. A black t-shirt, light coloured denim, and then tan sandals. So this t-shirt is the one that I have been so like just living in. Tie front t-shirt, this is from Topshop. They have these in a few different colours. The black one obviously is my go-to right now. Love it. I have on Zara jeans. I picked these up a few days ago actually. They are the high-rise boyfriend style or mum style jeans. They're not super high-waisted actually. They don't come up massively high compared to like my Topshop jeans, which I'm really used to wearing, but I think they're actually really flattering. As far as like baggy mum style fit jeans go, I think these actually are quite nice ones. And then on my feet I have YSL New Pieds sandals, which I mean, I'm obsessed. They were such a good investment already. I've worn them so much. My summer sandal recommendation of the year. My jewellery is the same as it's been, just constantly. This month I have my little vintage gold medallion necklace on, and then I have this one which is actually kind of newish. This one I had made, it's in this Arabic script and it says heart. I'm also going to throw on my basket bag with this. Love this bag so much. Yes, that's what I'm wearing today. I'm quickly running out of the house. I'm filming a big video today. Something big is going down and stressful, and it's going to take a lot of time, but I need a few things before I start that, so I'm just popping out into town to grab those. Also, it's sunny today, as you may have noticed by the fact that I'm not wearing a jacket and I basically have a crop top on. I'm really happy about this. The sun is definitely making me a happy girl today. Also, before I leave, I picked up a new pair of Ray-Bans yesterday. You guys probably recognise these round ones. I wear these so much and I love them. They're my go-to sunglasses, but I saw they had this new shape which is kind of similar, but it's slightly more geometric, like it's a hexagon shape, I think they call it. I thought they were just a cool new shape for this season, so I'm gonna pop these on. Just cooked up a little breakfast for Sam and I, which I'm actually insanely proud of. We were debating whether or not to go and get a breakfast somewhere, but we don't have time today. It's a busy day, so I cooked up some, I made my own baked beans. I'm super proud of this. Looks good, looks better than the real thing, I think is fair to say. Some potatoes, avocado, toast. We didn't actually have anything in the fridge, so I think I made the best of what I could.
Winner chicken dinner.
Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, we'll just listen to Elton John. Probably get a copyright for this. I'm still standing better than I ever had. Oh, it's such a nice evening. Just went out, left the house purely to to load up on some barbecue supplies because it's so nice today. We've got we've been trying to find something to actually cook stuff with, so barbecue equipment. We have the food, but no coals and stuff. Sam thinks it's going to be a good idea to steal some wood from outside someone's house. I don't think so. Ooh! I told you we had some.
I feel like everything's going to take a long time to cook on this barbecue.
I've always got the oven if it doesn't work out. We're not having a great success with the barbecue situation. My sad little sausages in the middle. What have we got? Thank you.
Mushroom?
Oh yeah, give us a mushroom.
Some well done mushrooms.
Nice. This is my plate. Sam's plate. Keep it sparse. Or do I just have way too much food? It's so late and the sun's gone down now, but it's okay because I went and got a blanket, so I'm kind of just sitting here, tucked up, very cozy. Got my enormous plate of food, which looks amazing. Yeah, typical British people. The second the sun came out, barbecue, no matter how freezing it is. Thank you very much for cooking my sausages though. They look good. Go on, give me a pep talk.
Okay, hang on. Okay. Do you want me to read you my Motivational Monday post?
Go for it.
Have you looked at today's on Instagram?
I have not. Have I? Let's check.
Okay. Where's my folder?
Let's have a look at these little... Oh, there's the head bubble. The classic.
Hang on, I want to read them to you.
There she goes.
Okay. Life is like an elevator. Sometimes you have to stop and let people get off. If at first you don't succeed, fix your ponytail and try again.
My ponytail never looks good.
It doesn't need to look good, just fix it. pull it tight. Your gut knows what's up. Trust that bitch.
Oh, that was it. We had quite a short Motivational Monday this week. Motivation was running low. So I think I'm actually back where I left you last time, back in the garden. I have spent nearly my entire weekend here, or in some various garden, basically just sunbathing, which has been awesome. This is the sun cream I've been using all weekend. It's the Vichy Ideal Soleil SPF 30. It's kind of like a spray, liquidy, clear, transparent thing. Really weird, but it works. I really like this. And then of course a little bit of La Roche-Posay Factor 50 Athelios, my go-to face sun cream. This is actually the little Tic Tac that I got sent earlier in the week. Kind of get now why they send Tic Tacs along with it, because it looks like a little packet of Tic Tacs. You even open it like that. Ah, memories. I've also read quite a bit this weekend. I've kind of got back into my Kindle, which is weird. I definitely went through a phase of preferring books, but I don't know, when you're sitting outside it's just easier to lay down or however and use a Kindle. So at the moment, let me show you, ooh, kind of just losing my page here, but I'm reading a book called The Wildflowers by Harriet Evans. This was a recommendation from Kate, I think. I saw it on her Insta stories. She said she loved it, so I downloaded that. And I did just finish reading this book, which is called Love After Love. I don't know how I feel about this. I always get this way with books. I really enjoy them and then I get to the end and I feel a bit meh about an ending, and then I don't know how I actually felt about the whole thing. So this was kind of good. It's quite a good like summer read. It's about someone's having an affair, all that kind of thing. Yeah, that one's by Alex Hourston. I've just been sitting out here editing the vlog for today. Actually, it is Monday. I'm cutting this one a little bit short, but nothing new there. And I realised I didn't end it, so I thought I would just hop on here and say goodbye to you guys. This week's vlog has been, again, a bit of a incoherent one, but that's how my vlogs generally go, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you again on Friday, I hope, for another video, and for now, I'm probably going to finish this, go get an ice lolly out the fridge, and just be here in the sun because it's great. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've had a great day. This one has literally just decided to nap on the sofa as I was speaking, so she's gonna have a great rest of her Monday. I will see you all soon. Bye.